Joanne!
Mas butagan ng Ate Diyos. Yun lang.
Sending all the promises, sending all the promises. My voice of this I see.
As ye have therefore received Christ Jesus the Lord, give back thou.
Gapuna, tadda pa lang. Nagkawin ako no Sunday. Kahit kawin na ayaw ba?
Sa inyo believe ba?
I'm passing this phone to someone na nagsa-service sa live.
So I'm passing this phone to someone na committed sa tech team.
I'm passing this phone to future choir conductor.
I'm passing this phone to the person na di marunong mag-fourth finger.
I'm passing this phone to someone na gusto ng may maturuan na bata para maka-move na siya sa violin.
I'm passing this phone to someone na college na pero active pa rin sa ministry.
I'm passing this phone to someone na nakasama na ulit namin sa camp.
Passing this phone sa excited mag-youth camp at may malaking bagahe.
I'm passing this phone to someone kayang magtugtog kahit walang kopya.
I'm passing this phone to the person na magaling mag-piano. I'm passing this phone to someone na magaling kumanta para sa ministry.
I'm passing this phone to someone na minahalang ministry sa tech team.
Hi, bye guys!